Tauden County noton nebo Kericho ole kaimuch koyai tuyet en betutab raini committee nebo kot neking'oten ng'atutik nebo boror netonochin finance and national planning and privatization en taonit noton nebo Kericho ak biikab boror ole kaimuch koib keret netindoi biikab boror akobo maket nebo serikali nebo koalda alak en shares chetindoi en kompunitab Safaricom asi kosuldaen boisionik chebo bandab tai cheboto teksetab oret neo nebo Rironi Mau Summit ak panganutik alak. Winnie Towet ak koindab logoiwechoton.
Kondochin nebo ng'echeret en kamiti noton membayatab kot neking'oten ng'atutik nebo Molo Kuria Kimani komwa kole rutechin ichek counties tugul asikokas keretab biikab boror kou en ng'atutikab emoni chebo koalda serikali shares koitetab 15 en bogol chetindoi en kompunitab Safaricom.
They have said that they are tired of hearing news and reading papers of public funds being lost. So they have called for proper oversight and prosecution of all those people who will have been found to divert public funds into private enterprises. They have also expressly told us that it is very important that this particular fund be established under an act of parliament. And this has been the message across, because as you may recall, a few years ago, we had a famous Eurobond that raised almost a similar amount of money that this partial divestiture is raising. However, we cannot account, or the administration then cannot account for what that money did, because when that money was paid to the government of Kenya, it went to the consolidated fund account, and it went to pay recurrent expenditure and all manner of expenses. So they are saying that if this transaction has to go on, then there must be there must be a fund. Just like we have the housing fund that guarantees the housing levy goes to the housing fund, and you have seen what housing fund is doing across the country. So they are saying they want to see something similar with this infrastructure fund, to have an infrastructure fund law that makes sure they safeguard the proceeds raised from this particular divestiture and from the other privatization exercises that the government of Kenya is planning to carry on. At the same time, it coincides with a decision made today by the High Court that has issued orders on stopping the implementation of the state-owned enterprise law. And therefore, as it has been said by the Cabinet Secretary for National Treasury, that proposal was to establish this fund under the state-owned enterprise law. Now, we're back to the drawing board, and we're asking now National Treasury, please facilitate very fast a bill that we're going to establish an infrastructure bill, so that because your proposal has now been nullified by the court, so that we fast track this process, so that if this public participation of Kenyans, and if the Honorable House finds it fit to approve this particular transaction, we need to make sure that there is already a law in place that safeguards the process of this particular transaction.
Kamiten MP nebo Mosob Abraham Kirwa nekamwa kole bendi koibchin kamanut magutikab biikab emet kosipkei ak noton.
Biikab Kericho biik ng'om. Kito nekomoche amwochi biikab Kalenjin chekose petition aleji mekany kimiten eng wakati nebo kandoindet ko Arap Ruto amu koketech emet akotestai kotech emet, so ngialda korik ial korik, ngialdosi shares ial shares. Kokiamwan kele kibendi keyoe public participation atikekas tuguk chemwoe biik. Ngomwoe biik kole makioldoi, makioldoi. Ngot komwa kole kioldoi with conditions, kiro conditions choto kele tos ne chokokone bichu anan kole walde kuyeu. So kuye kakas ngirjongyu kokomwa kole imuch kiyan kealda man, lakini lazima kihakikishan kele mami corruption. Kakihakikishan kele mami corruption, mami tuguk cheyachen, ngele bo oret chepkondochu kinde oret. Ngemwa kele bo stimet kinde stimet, ngemwa kele bo beek kinde beek. So kamwa wananchi kole kiyoni iman aldanito, lakini kihakikishani kele kakiboisie chepkondochu eng oret nebo iman.
En komostanywan kosom biikab emet serikali koboisien chepkondok chekinyoru en aldanoton en boisionik chetogunotin en komoswek tugul en emet kokerkeit.
Kokaketach ng'alechoto kokakimwa kele kakiyonchi serikali kwalda 15%. Kit nekisome biikab Kenya ko rabisiek chemong'u en alanoto kemache keboisien en boisionik chekakipangan. Kotko masengel chi okot kidogo, kimache boisionik keker koyookse. Ako rabisiechu komat keboisien en boisionik chebo kebeberta agenge en Kenya. Kimache areas tugul chebo Kenya ketoret keyochi boisionik. Kakimwa kele kimache kechoben ortinwek, kimache kereunen beek, kimache ng'alekab sitimet, kemache boisionik choto keker kele kakiyai. Matkiwis hata kidogo.
Mache kesom biik tugul kosapoten president en kasit neyoe. Ngamun so far kekere kele boisie president ako mache kotoret chi age tugul. Kou ngunon king'ololen Mau Summit Rironi Road. Komakemoe kebesenishen asikechop barabaret neuno. Kimache kecheng rabisiek from the internal ways chebo serikali. Kosolven the problems chekitindoi ko ki Kenya. Akobet ng'alek chekedependene rabisiekab bitonin en boisionik tugul chebo atkan tugul. Bichon tugul chon moche ketilchi taxes nguno serikali chon aneni kora ng'eten 30,000 to 50. Konyoru bichotok 5% en rabisiek checham ketile kewekyin icheket. Ko oret nekicheng'e rabisiek ko kemeken sure kele kakikoito shares chebo Safaricom asikotoret serikali koyai boisionik alak.
Aripotenjini Yasai TV logoiwekab emet kobun county nebo Kericho, kainenyun ko Winnie Towet.